A blessed day, learners. Be ready and prepare yourself as we embark, learn, and enjoy this video about Learning Guide to Criminology, Correctional Administration. Set 1. Be safe, and God bless you always. This is Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Institutional corrections refers to those persons housed in secure, correctional facilities. Mga pagwawasto ng institusyon tumutukoy sa mga taong tinitirhan sa ligtas na lugar. Mga pasilidad ng pagwawasto. Jail is defined as a place of confinement for inmates under investigation, or undergoing trial, or serving short-term sentences. Bilangguan ay tinukoy bilang isang lugar ng pagkakulong para sa mga bilanggo na sinisiyasat o sumasailalim sa paglilitis o paghahatid ng mga panandaliang sentensya. Jail old name, term of jail. Jail lumang pangalan, term ng kulungan. Corrections is that branch of administration of criminal justice charged with responsibility for the custody, supervision, and rehabilitation of the convicted offender. Corrections ay ang sangay ng pangangasiwa ng hustisyang kriminal na sinisingil ng responsibilidad para sa pag-iingat, pangangasiwa, at rehabilitasyon ng nahatulang nagkasala. The combination of public and private services with legal authority to provide for the care, custody and control of those accused convicted of a criminal or status offense. Ang kombinasyon ng mga pampubliko at pribadong serbisyo na may legal na awtoridad na maglaan para sa pangangalaga, pag-iingat at kontrol sa mga akusado na hinatulan ng isang kriminal o pagkakasala sa katayuan. The program, services, and institutions responsible for those individuals who are accused or convicted of criminal offenses. Ang programa, mga serbisyo, at mga institusyong responsable para sa mga individual na inakusahan o nahatulan ng mga kriminal na pagkakasala. Classification refers to the assigning or grouping of inmates according to their sentence, gender, age, nationality, health, criminal records, etc. Klasipikasyon tumutukoy sa pagtatalaga o pagpapangkat ng mga bilanggo ayon sa kanilang sentensya, kasarian, edad, nasyonalidad, kalusugan, mga record ng kriminal, at iba pa. A method by which diagnosis, treatment, planning and execution of treatment programs are coordinated to an individual. Isang paraan kung saan ang diagnosis, paggamot, pagpaplano at pagpapatupad ng mga programa sa paggamot ay pinag-ugnay sa isang individual. The process of assigning inmates to types of custody or treatment programs appropriate to their needs. Ang proseso ng pagtatalaga ng mga bilanggo sa mga uri ng kustodiya o mga programa sa paggamot na angkop sa kanilang mga pangangailangan. Important terminologies. Mahalagang terminolohiya. Alcatraz, a U.S. federal penitentiary, often referred to as the Rock, the small island of Alcatraz was developed with facilities for a lighthouse, a military fortification, a military prison, 1868, and a federal prison from 1933 until 1963. Alcatraz is ang U.S. federal penitentiary, madalas na tinutukoy bilang The Rock. Ang maliit na isla ng Alcatraz ay binuo na may mga pasilidad para sa isang parola, isang kuta ng militar, isang bilangguan ng militar, 1868, at isang federal na bilangguan mula 1933 hanggang 1963. Alexander Maconochie was a Scottish naval officer, geographer, and penal reformer. He is known as the father of parole. Alexander Maconochie ay isang Scottish naval officer, geographer, at penal reformer. Siya ay kilala bilang ama ng parol. Alexander Maconochie, two basic principle of penology. Alexander Maconochie, dalawang pangunahing prinsipyo ng penology. Isa. As cruelty debases both the victim and society, punishment should not be vindictive but should aim at the reform of the convict to observe social constraints, and habang pinababa ng kalupitan ng biktima at lipunan, ang parusa ay hindi dapat maging mapaghiganti ngunit dapat ay naglalayon sa reforma ng nahatulan upang sundin ang mga hadlang sa lipunan, at 2. A convict's imprisonment should consist of task, not time sentences, with release depending on the performance of a measurable amount of labor. Ang pagkakulong ng isang bilanggo ay dapat na binubuo ng mga gawain, hindi mga sentensya ng oras, na may pagpapalaya depende sa pagganap ng isang masusukat na dami ng paggawa. Auburn Prison constructed in 1816, opened 1819, it was the second state prison in New York, the site of the first execution by electric chair in 1890. It uses the silent or congregate system. Auburn Prison itinayo noong 1816, binuksan noong 1819, ito ang pangalawang bilangguan ng estado sa New York, ang lugar ng unang pagbitay sa pamamagitan ng electric chair noong 1890. Gumagamit ito ng silent o congregate system. Banishment, a punishment originating in ancient times, that required offenders to leave the community and live elsewhere, commonly in the wilderness. Banishment isang parusang nagmula noong sinaunang panahon na nangangailangan ng mga nagkasala na umalis sa komunidad at manirahan sa ibang lugar, karaniwan sa ilang. Competent authority refers to the Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, Regional Trial Court, Metropolitan Trial Court, Municipal Trial Court, Municipal Circuit Trial Court, Sandigan Bayan, Military Courts, House of Representatives, Senate, Commission on Elections, Bureau of Immigration and Deportation and Board of Pardons and Parole. Competent authority tumutukoy sa Korte Suprema, Court of Appeals, Regional Trial Court, Metropolitan Trial Court, Municipal Trial Court, Municipal Circuit Trial Court, Sandigan Bayan, Military Courts, House of Representatives, Senate, Commission on Elections, Bureau of Immigration at Deportation at lupon ng mga pardon at parole. Carpete refers to the institutional record of an inmate which consists of his mitimus, commitment order, the prosecutor's information and the decision of the trial court, including the appellate court, if any. Carpete tumutukoy sa record ng institusyon ng isang preso na binubuo ng kanyang mitimus, commitment order, impormasyon ng prosecutor at ang desisyon ng trial court, kasama ang appellate court, kung mayroon man. Commitment the entrusting for confinement of an inmate to a jail by competent authority for investigation, trial and/or service of sentence. Commitment ang pagtitiwala para sa pagkakulong ng isang bilanggo sa isang kulungan ng karampatang awtoridad para sa investigasyon, paglilitis at o serbisyo ng sentensya. Commitment order, a written order of the court or any other competent authority consigning an offender to a jail or prison for confinement. Commitment order isang nakasulat na utos ng hukuman o anumang iba pang karampatang awtoridad na nagpapadala ng nagkasala sa isang kulungan o bilangguan para sa pagkakakulong. Contraband, any article, item, or thing prohibited by law and or forbidden by jail rules. Kontrabando, anumang artikulo, item, o bagay na ipinagbabawal ng batas at o ipinagbabawal ng mga panuntunan sa kulungan. Corporal punishment, the infliction of physical pain as a form of punishment. Corporal punishment ang pagpapataw ng pisikal na sakit bilang isang anyo ng parusa. Detain a person who is confined in prison pending preliminary investigation, trial or appeal, or upon legal process issued by the competent authority. Detainee taong nakakulong sa bilangguan habang nakabinbin ang paunang investigasyon, paglilitis o apela, o sa legal na proseso na ibinigay ng karampatang awtoridad. A person accused before a court or competent authority who is temporarily confined in jail while undergoing investigation, awaiting final judgment. Isang taong inakusahan sa harap ng korte o karampatang awtoridad na pansamantalang nakakulong habang sumasailalim sa investigasyon, naghihintay ng huling hatol. Deterrence, a crime control strategy that uses punishment to prevent others from committing similar crimes. Deterrence isang diskarte sa pagkontrol sa krimen na gumagamit ng parusa upang maiwasan ng iba na gumawa ng mga katulad na krimen. Death convict refers to an inmate death penalty, sentence imposed by the regional trial court is affirmed by the Supreme Court. Death convict tumutukoy sa parusang kamatayan sa bilanggo, sentensya na ipinataw ng regional trial court na pinagtibay ng Korte Suprema. Diversification administrative device of correctional institutions of providing varied and flexible types of physical plants for more effective control of treatment programs of its diversified population. Diversification administrative device ng correctional institution na nagbibigay ng iba't ibang at flexible na uri ng pisikal na halaman para sa mas epektibong kontrol sa mga programa sa paggamot ng sari-saring populasyon nito. Diversion, establishment of alternatives to formal justice systems such as deferred prosecution, resolution of citizens' dispute, and treatment alternative to street crimes. Diversion, pagtatatag ng mga alternatibo sa formal na sistema ng hustisya tulad ng ipinagpaliban na pag-uusig, paglutas ng hindi pagkakaunawaan ng mamamayan, at alternatibong paggamot sa mga krimen sa lansangan. The institutionalization, a crime strategy that focuses on keeping the offenders in the community rather than placing them in long-term institution. The institutionalization isang diskarte sa krimen na nakatuon sa pagpapanatili ng mga nagkasala sa komunidad sa halip na ilagay sila sa pangmatagalang institusyon.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic learning guide to criminology, correctional administration. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.